Spotted an XVC file in your Xbox or Windows gaming folder and wondering what it is? This is an encrypted Xbox game package that requires specific authentication to access. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Xbox Live Games package files work. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering XVC files with corrupted internal metadata. XVC files are encrypted, game package files used by Xbox One, Xbox Series XS, and Windows 10-11 for distributing and storing games purchased through the Microsoft Store. They contain game executables assets and resources protected by Microsoft's content protection system, tied to user accounts and device licenses. XVC files use Microsoft's proprietary encrypted container format with content protection cryptographic signatures and license verification. The format binds game content to specific user accounts and device hardware, preventing unauthorized access requiring Xbox or Windows authentication services for decryption and execution at runtime. The proprietary opener for the XVC file structure is typically Xbox App by Microsoft. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your XVC file and select Open With. Start with Xbox App if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the XVC format. If your XVC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, launching through Xbox App. XVC files cannot be opened directly due to encryption and licensing protection. Install the Xbox app on Windows 10, 11 sign, in with the Microsoft account that purchased the game, and the system automatically decrypts and launches XVC packages. On Xbox consoles, games install and run automatically from the dashboard. Next, verifying game installation. If a game won't launch, verify the XVC file integrity through the Xbox app by selecting the game, choosing Manage, and using Verify and Repair. The system checks XVC package, integrity, redownloads, corrupted segments, and revalidates licenses, ensuring the game launches properly with correct authentication. Finally, reinstalling the game. For persistent issues, uninstall the game completely and reinstall from the Microsoft Store or Xbox app. This downloads fresh XVC packages with current encryption keys and licenses. Ensure your account has proper game ownership and device authorization for content to install and run successfully. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.